Hi people, my name is Woli Agba. I'm sorry, you can see that this video is shaking. That is what I'm about to address. Recently, Mr. Kunle Afford posted a video and was complaining about the Ekiti road. And of course, it feels like he's the only one that has encountered that. And I feel some of us, that is where I am at the moment. We should be able to speak up. You see, it is not funny anymore. This road has been there for many years. Let's do this road. Anytime I get a program in Ekiti, I don't even want to go, because you think of the road construction, you think of how bad the road is, you think of the fact that you are going elsewise. One need nothing more good than it. Can I travel? Go to my logo. Come on, I be put my around me. Oh, sorry, bye. So my around. Come on, I be care from your way. I'm telling you, this road in Ekiti is not the road, and this particular road, the long way Ekiti. But it's not what I'm about. They should do something. You see, I have a solution. Each state, problem they bound face, lawyer could determine the kind of person that you lead. It's just as simple as that. If in your state, you need to vote for an auditor. Auditor learn it. In your state, you okay, vote for an electrician. And in your state, if your road is not good, vote for a civil engineer. That's the solution now. And in your state, vote for a developer. Not build the lake Angrily. That's how it should be now. This has been there for many years. It's not funny anymore. Kilo de to balo take it by. Be break by the only fault. Cash wa change the shaft, we shaft on the fault, brain boss and the fault, the brain boss on the fault, wa change radiator, how to dey be on? Kí on to ma, go to my seize. O ti tẹ on o tún seize. O re ni si ta ma lọ sí other states. Ẹ wá àwọn tó jókòó sẹ́yìn, kó kí wọ́n kí ń lo belt. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Ekiti ní báyìí, kálukú á lo belt ní, kó má di pé káàbọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ rere, mi tí ni mo fẹ́ wá. Kí ni? Rọra ń bẹ̀ phone ti jábọ́. Ó tán báyìí. Ó mo ti fọ́ lójú.
A few moments later.
Just made the video about the bad road. Just make video and like pay on it. Just some minutes ago. I will no ko. You better watch it, it's your love.